Hi everyone, a very warm welcome to all of you in lovely professional university Edu-Webinars. My name is Dalvinder Kaur and I'm your host for today's webinar. As I can see, people are still joining, so let's wait for a few more minutes so that everyone can join. Till then, let me take you all on a virtual tour of our beautiful university. So here it is.
Finishes at 90 meters, 23.
Thanks everyone for calling. Let's talk about the call response, especially on option C. Is this video real or AI? No, this video is absolutely real video. No AI is out in it. So for the people who wants to see this video again, I'll share the link in the chat box later in 2-3 minutes. So as I can see, everyone has joined. So let's dive into today's topic, that is why choose science? Unlocking career opportunities in the 21st century. Before we proceed further, allow me to introduce the experts of the day. Dr. Kailash Chandra Jugla, Professor and Associate Dean, Department of Physical Sciences, lovely professional university. So now I would like to introduce the admission nominee also in this webinar, Dr. Lavleen Kumar Bhagi. Dr. Lavleen is Associate Professor in the field of Mechanical Engineering with over 20 plus years of teaching experience at lovely professional university. Before we proceed further in today's session, I would like to request everyone for any question you could write in the chat box or in the Q&A box, and same will be addressed from my side in the end of this webinar. Now I'm going to hand over this session to our expert, Dr. Kailash Chandra Jugla, and it would be an absolute delight to listen from him. Over to you, Dr. Kailash Chandra Jugla.
Thank you, Dalvinder ma'am. Let me share the screen first. Now screen is visible to you?
Yes, the screen is visible. You can continue.
Thank you. Welcome to you all the participants in this webinar. Why choose sciences? This is very interesting question, that why you are taking admission in sciences and what is the importance of sciences? What are the various career opportunities available in the sciences? Now, first question is again, why sciences? Because again, it was in our mind earlier that if you are taking sciences, you want to be a teacher. A science graduate means if you are teaching, doing study in physics, chemistry, mathematics, generally, you want to become a teacher. But now this situation scenario is entirely different. Nowadays, sciences does not mean only the teaching or not only the research. It is having lot of career opportunities in various other domains, because science is deleting the world. Again, as you all are aware, that if you know the sciences, you can build your career in any of the field. If your sciences is basic sciences is not, we can say, good, or not up to the a certain level, you will be not able to make your career basically in the technology field. In all the technology, all the medical field, if you have strong in sciences, then only you will be able to clear any of the competitive exam like JEE, NEET and all, and you will be able to make your career in science and technology. And that's why science is very, very important, crucial in this era. Science drives the innovation. Again, technology, healthcare, environment, everything, everywhere, science is involved. If we are dealing with the daily life, if we are talking about the various example, when you are waking up till when you are going to sleep, then every day, everywhere, you are using the tools, you are using science. Even if you are walking, if you are doing any of the work, you are using science principle, basic science. And if you are aware about the scientific principles, you will be able to do many innovation in the healthcare, in the technology, and many other fields. Again, science give you the critical and the quantitative reasonings. Science give you the experimental skills, and because of that, there is a huge demand of science and technology, especially in the STEM skill in across all the sectors. If we will talk about the various career pillars for science graduates, one of the career was the academia. Academia generally involves the teaching at the school level, primary school level, graduate level, or PG level, and research. Research is in, again, in the all the research R&D sectors, all the industries, research departments are very, very necessary. In all the universities, we are also promoting the research, and because of that, our students, our faculty members are able to do good research, and because of that, they are able to publish, they are able to file patents, and they are able to help the society. Again, the data science and analysis, again, this is very crucial field, especially for the mathematicians and the students, those are doing stats. In government field, again, we have a lot of jobs available for the science graduates, and the policymakers, the public sectors, especially the UPSC exam. There are various exams in the army, we can say SSC. All these exams are specialized for the science graduate. If you are science graduate, you have good opportunity to clear all these sector exams. Also, the exams like SSC and the various exams like DRDO is organizing exam for the science graduates, BARC, BARC, okay, various CSIR labs, they are recruiting the graduates in India, and along with, other than that, various other universities like in various part of the world, they are also inviting the science graduate to do higher studies, to do research, and to participate in the teaching as well. Again, we have good opportunity for entrepreneurships and the startup. I will also show you some examples where our students, those did graduation in sciences, now they have started their entrepreneur. They are now entrepreneur and they have their startup, very successful startups. I will be talking about all these careers opportunity in physics, chemistry, and mathematics one by one. First, I am starting with the physics. And again, in physics, we can do research in theoretical and experimental physics. Again, the science space is the very, very crucial field. It is not from now. It is from the various past. Again, you can see about the space, about the sun, about the planets, about the universe. This is totally unexplored area. Okay, we don't know about our space, we don't know about our moon, we don't know about our neighbor planets. Sometimes we are saying the moon is also having the possibility of water, next day we are saying something else. We don't have any information. This is most unexplored area, and if you have interest in this area, then physics career is best for you. Again, the semiconductor, electronics, photonics, material, this is the most demanding field, and government of India in this budget, they have invested a lot of money for semiconductor industry, and basically in science or the electronics is derived from the physics. If you have basic background of the physics, You can do job in all these areas, like engineering roles as well. Physics graduate can be an engineer in various industries, like in software and simulation. Again, nowadays, before doing any experiment, we have to do the simulation. We have to use the software to predict what will be the outcome. And this is the simulation of the biggest experiment you might have heard, which is situated in Geneva, the Large Hadron Collider, which is the CERN lab. And the renewable energy, again, the renewable energy including wind, water, we can say hydropower energy, solar energy. All these are the emerging area for the physics students. And the science communication, teaching, the technical consultancy. Again, teaching is changing day by day. It is not only the classroom teaching. It may be online tutoring. It may be the other consultancies. Like one of my students, Sunita, she is working in a company, Turing. Okay, this is the US-based startup, and in this company, she is training AI. She is working as an AI trainer, and in AI trainer, her role is to train AI in the field of physics, and she is getting salary about 1,50,000 per month for this work. Along with her regular study, she is also earning 1,50,000 per month. This is the, and 5 of our school students, one from we can say chemistry, 2 from mathematics, and 2 from physics. They are also working in the same company, and they are training AI. In chemistry, again, chemistry, this is the additional part here, which is the pharmaceuticals, we can say pharma industry, drug discovery, medicinal chemistry. This is the additional as from the physics, because physics students are having they can explore their areas in the engineering as well, and here the chemistry students are having more opportunities in the pharmaceuticals. Again, the chemical engineering, materials, polymers, nanotechnology, all these are the emerging area in chemistry. And the lab technicians, we can say analytical lab technicians, again, the quality control managers, environmental chemistry, and again, every government is also having the environmental monitoring sessions, and they are calling the persons from the chemistry in this area also. Again, in food industries, again, cosmetics, in forensics, in all these areas, the chemistry students are in demand, and either you are graduate doing PhD, masters, or BSc, all are in demand. But if you are having the more qualifications, then the packages will be more. This is the only difference. Otherwise, all you are in demand if you are graduating from chemistry. In mathematics, derived into 2 categories: pure mathematics and applied research. Okay, and in academia, there is a huge demand of mathematicians across the world, not only in India, but many of our students are also getting selected to teach in various world-class universities, including the universities in, we can say, France. In one of our student, Alex, recently selected in one of the university in UK, and he got selected. He is PhD and masters from LPU, and now he gets selected for academia in one of the universities in UK. Again, the quantitative finance, the actuarial science is again very evolving field in the mathematics, cryptography, modeling, the optimizations, operation research, machine learning, algorithm designing, and software development. In all these areas, mathematics is playing very crucial role. You might be, we can say, surprised to know about the AI. Who is making AI? AI is built by the mathematicians and the physicists only. Okay, if you have strong background of mathematics, if you have strong background of physics, then only you can build AI. AI cannot be built by learning the coding only. Okay, if you know the coding, AI can give you the answers. Okay, coding and all these things can be done by AI, but AI cannot do the things which mathematicians can do, because the AI is generated by the mathematicians and the physicists only. Again, this is the machine learning and the logarithm design, and you will be surprised to know that in 2020-24 the Nobel Prize was given for a mathematicians and the chemist in the field of mathematics and the chemistry. Both are given for the machine learning and artificial intelligence, for a physics person and for the chemistry persons. You can imagine the power of the physics, chemistry, and mathematics in this area. Stats, again, this is very we are having the course of the stats and the data sciences, and in this course, again, this is giving you the we can say background about the computer and the computer programmings and the mathematics. This is the mixture of the mathematics and the computer programming, and because of that you can play with the data, and data is money nowadays, and because of that they are in huge demand. And one of our student from the stats, she is in final year as of now, and she already get placed in a company with a package of 14.2 lakhs. Okay, all these are the public sector, healthcare, the government statistics bureau. Number of our students are working, get selected in various fields. I will be giving you example one by one, and at the last of the slides I will also give you the complete example for that. Again, in case of the interdisciplinary and the emerging field, it is not necessary that the physics person can work in the physics only, mathematics can work in the mathematics. No, nowadays this all the fields are interdisciplinary. A physics person can work in the pharma also. A physics person can work in the AI domain also, multimedia also. In all the domains, students are working. And if you have the knowledge about this, these are the emerging field: data science, computational science, bioinformatics, materials. Again, material technology, materials worldwide. All the we can 70% research is going on in materials. How to make the material more smarter, more sustainable, cheaper, lighter, and because of that, these are in demand. Again, the AI and the domain experts, as I have mentioned, that few of our students are already working. Those are training AI in their respective field. It may be the field of the physics, chemistry, mathematics, and in any other field. Okay, that quantum technology. Again, the quantum technology is the what is behind this fast computing. Okay, or quantum computing. That means the computational work which we are doing in hours, it can be done in few seconds, and because of that, quantum technology, quantum computing is playing very crucial. The science graduate can go for masters, PhD, and then they can go for academics, research. In all these areas are open for them. Again, we have integrated research programs. We have you have options for the fellowships also. Indian government is also providing many fellowships. The Prime Minister fellowship in this category, in this you will be getting a fellowship about we can say 80,000 per month for doing your research. You can be getting selected for the postdoctorate. Many of the IITs, research labs, they are providing the position of the postdoc in India and in abroad. Okay, many of our students are getting selected in abroad for doing postdoc. One of our student, Monica, in mathematics, she has not completed her mathematics PhD so far, but already she is get selected in University of Paris, and which is in France, and she is getting a package of 3,000 euro per month plus TA-ship. TA-ship means she will be also taking the classes as a teacher, and how many classes she will be taking, she will be getting additional amount for that. And if you will be, I will be converting the whole packages for the postdoc for her. It will be approximately 50 lakh to 60 lakhs per annum. If a person who is doing mathematics and earning 50 to 60 lakhs, this is the good opportunity, good we can say achievement for me. International study options are available. Again, worldwide there is a huge demand of science graduate. Okay, and many of our students are already studying in various world-class universities, and they are not paying their fee. In spite of paying their fee, these universities are giving them the scholarships, and which can say the research internships are also available in India as well as in abroad. There is a huge demand of science graduate in the industries and the job market related things. And we can say the problem solvers, that data service graduates are again in demand. Important in various kind of internships, those are open for the science graduate. Various kind of projects are available. You can lab experience, because in sciences we are not teaching physics, chemistry, mathematics, stats only. We are equally teaching them the AI ML related courses. That means those are the courses in demand in the future. Also, in all the courses, we are also teaching them, we can say, programming like C, C++, Python, R, MATLAB. All these programming courses or the coding related courses we are already included in our core curricula. And because of that, our students can also get selected in these areas where computer engineers are in demand. Again, in networking, industry collaborations, and the career fairs, all these areas, our students are in demand. Now, what are the skill set which you require? What should be the roadmap when we are doing your BSc and MSc? How to make you industry ready, and how we are different from the other universities and other colleges. Generally, in the colleges, they have a fixed syllabus. They don't have options to change, play with the syllabus. Here we have good options to change the syllabus in few categories. We have a fixed criteria. That is, these are the core courses which are given by the UGC. We are fixed with them. Core courses, we are not changing anything. But in case of the elective courses, specialization, we are every year we are changing as per the need of the industries, as per the need of the we are changing it, and because of that, our students are more placeable. All the students, those are getting the placement option. Almost 100% students are getting placed if they have opted the placement option, because many of the students are not opting for the placement options because they want to go for higher studies in abroad, they want to go for PhD, they want to go for government jobs, and that. Otherwise, all the students, those are opting for the placements. We are able to place them in all. Like the Python, R, MATLAB, all data tools we have already included in our curricula, and our students are publishing papers in the journals, in the conferences, and because of that, they have good, strong portfolio. Again, as I have mentioned, that our students are doing research. In BSc, we have 3-semester research. We have 3-year BSc as well as 4-year BSc. In case of 3-year BSc, we are giving them 1 semester research time. In case of 4-year BSc, we are giving them 3-semester research project. In case of 3-semester research project, all the students are able to publish at least 1 publications, which is indexed in Scopus or Web of Science. And because of that, in masters, generally all the students are able to publish 1 or 2 papers very easily. And because of that, their profile portfolio will be always better than the students from the other universities. And they will be getting better opportunities in terms of the research, in terms of the higher studies in various world-class universities with higher scholarship. I'm mentioning I'm saying my students are going to abroad, they are not paying their fee. They are getting scholarship, and scholarship is not in few amount. This is a very handsome scholarship, equal scholarship, which if a person is working there, they are getting this equal amount of scholarships. Various types of scholarships funding are available, or the competitive exams are available, and we are also training our students for all these competitive exams. Like, you can prepare yourself for the UGC NET exams, GATE exams, JRF, JAM exam, CSIR, we can say, and the various kind of scholarships are available. If you want to do PhD, and if you have cleared NET exam, GATE exam, you will be getting admission in again with any universities, including LPU, and you will be getting a fellowship about 40,000 to 50,000 along with your regular research work. You are getting 40-50,000 per month, and you are doing PhD. For 5 years, you will be getting this amount of scholarships. JRF is again the good opportunity for all the master's students. And for all the graduates, they can appear for the GATE exams as well. The various industries also providing the internships, the fellowships, or there are many sponsored projects. Many of our students are earning money, which we are saying the revenue generation model in LPU. We have the EduRev education revolution in LPU, and we are promoting students to do some work related to your field. Suppose some of our students are teaching online. They are teaching the students from various part of the world, including the students from the Australia, UK, USA, Canada, and they are earning handsome amount of money from teaching. Some of our BSc students, like one student is in BSc chemistry, Vandana, the Monica, they are getting more than 1 lakh, we can say, in 1 month, just along with their regular studies. They are teaching at night, and they are, if you are teaching in India and if you are teaching in abroad, you will be getting more salaries, more packages, because in one-to-one tutoring they are paying you hourly. For 1 hour they are paying, and how many hours they want to teach, they are taking it fixed in their first, and then they are paying you advance, and then you are teaching them. This is the different industry over here. Now what is required, again, you require a good communication skills, good scientific writing, so that you will be able to present your research paper, your presentation skills, teamwork, the project management. All these are the very crucial for your soft skill abilities. Okay, and again, the interview preparations, again, we have a fixed soft skill department, technical skill department. Those are training you for the soft skills and the communication skills, as again all the technical skills. We have courses, compulsory courses in your curricula, in which you will be learning all these. Again, in case of the scientific writing, in all the BSc and MSc, we have research methodology courses, which is generally included by the all other universities at the PG level or PhD level. But we have started this research methodology courses from the BSc, MSc, and PhD all. Because of that, we will be teaching them how to write a research paper, what is a research paper, how to search research paper, what is plagiarism, what to do, what not to do, everything we are teaching you. And because of that, you will be able to prepare for all these soft skill related, we can say, identities. And science is again very crucial for the society. And we can say, if you want to improve healthcare solutions, because there is a stream which you call the medical physics. Again, in medical physics, again, some of the courses which we are already including, you can go to the medical field, medical healthcare area as well as. Okay, smart cities, technology, educational curriculum transformations, in all these areas, science graduates are playing very crucial roles. Here, what we are offering BSc in physics, chemistry, mathematics, MSc in physics, chemistry, math, and stats and data analytics. In PhD, which we are offering in physics, chemistry, mathematics, stats. Again, in chemical engineering and environmental sciences, these two domains are also with us. In my school, we have 180 faculty members. If I am talking about the 180 faculty members in physics, chemistry, math, stats, and chemical engineering. Along in mathematics, we have 90 faculty members. All are PhD from various IITs, NITs, CSIR labs, and many of them are PhD from various world-class universities. We have more than 90% placement in the reputed companies. All the students, those are opting for the placement, we are able to give them placement, and with higher packages as well. We have quality research and more than 600 publications in 1 year, and 25 patent in last year we have published. Our students, along with our faculty members, they have published these many publications. We have good instrumentation facilities, and again, we have sophisticated instrumentation facilities. Because of that, our students are able to publish in high impact publications. The research publications is decided by the impact. How much is the impact factor? And our generally last month, one of our students, Sherm, she has published a paper with the impact factor 19.2. Again, 19.2 impact factor is very huge. One of our faculty, he has published in a paper in Nature. You might have heard about the journal Nature. If your biggest research is published in the Nature, and he has published paper in Nature, this is the quality of our student, and this is the quality of our faculty members. Again, we are also offering the we can say industrial tie-up. We have option for study abroad. You can study 1 or 2 year in LPU, rest 1 or 2 year you can study in abroad. You can go for 1 semester. Semester exchange programs are also available in our curricula. We are also teaching you or preparing you for the competitive exams like JAM, JAST, CSIR, NET, GATE. We are having a regular UPSC exams also. We have started this again. The pathways which we are offering: the corporate jobs, government jobs, higher studies, research, entrepreneurships, and study abroad. All these pathways we are providing to the student. Our curricula is research oriented, and if our curricula is research oriented, because of that, our students are getting benefited in the sciences, and they are able to get placed in the better packages. They are able to get admissions with the higher scholarships. This is the advantage here. The research facilities which we have XRD, we have FESEM, electrochemical work stations, all the basic research requirement which is required. We are having all these research facilities available with us. Like the XRD and FESEM, the cost of these two instruments is in between 5 to 6 crore only. Okay, Tanisha, she has won the. I am highlighting some achievements here. She won the competition toyathon organized by Ministry of Education, and in this again more than 50,000 participants participated. It was not for the students only; it was for the all industries. And in case of the hackathon organized by Indian Army, she got 3rd prize in that. If we will talk about our achievements, like Anu, she is graduated from the physics, and she is placed with a package of 15.6. And again, the Nagari is the graduate from the SATs, and his package is more than 15 lakh again. Ansh, he is the founder and the CEO of his venture. He has generated more than 1 lakh, we can say 150 crore revenue in last 3 years only. Vijay, he is senior scientist in the Ministry of we can say Ayush. And Chusomo, he has Chusomo has his own company. He is CEO of Dhaka Space Technologies Limited. He is graduated from his MSc from physics, MSc in physics from LPU. Okay, Tejasvi, again, she is again placed with a good package. Mohit, he has cleared CDS exam last year. Now he will be lieutenant in the Indian Army. Again, Tejasvi, she is placed in a company Wise. This is the multinational brand, and she is still not passed out. And she has a package of 14.2 lakhs this year. Okay, Muskan, again, the Saron is graduated from we can say chemistry, and his package is again 12 lakh. And Monica, again, as I have mentioned, she is get selected for the postdoc, and the package will be more than 50 to 60 lakhs. Purnima, she did we can say BSc mathematics last year. She is passed out in 2025, and she got offer from 3 best universities of the world. From the UK generally. Now she is doing her master's from King's College London, and with a fellowship of 30,000 we can say euro. And these are some MOUs. We have MOUs with the world-class universities, including the industries, IBM. We have the international brand AutoCAD or Autotech, and also we have recently MOU with the Indian Institute of Petroleum for chemical and petroleum engineering and for chemistry students. If I will talk about the personalities, those are visiting to us regularly. Padam Shri Professor S.C. Verma, he is our mentor. He is regularly visiting to LPU, and now he is coming to LPU from 15th of November to 19th of November for 5 days for doing a workshop in LPU. You will be getting opportunity to interact with him, to listen with him, to work with him for 5 days. Like the chairman of ISRO, Sri Somnath, he was with us in one of our conference. We invited him as a chief guest, and you will be able to meet The personalities like Somnath, like the S.C. Verma, and like that, we will be getting more bigger personalities if you want to meet. This is the big platform for you. This is the best platform for you to explore your career, to explore the scientific temperament with you. Okay, thank you for all of us. And if you have any queries, then I'm here to handle your queries. Thank you. Thank you all.
Thank you so much, Dr. Kailash. And so now I would request to admission nominee Dr. Navleen Kumar Bhagi to be in this one. Over to you, Dr.
Thank you very much, ma'am. I'm going to present the screen. I hope my screen is visible.
Screen is visible. You can.
All right. Thank you, ma'am. So let's start with the accreditation and approvals. The LPU, you can say, has granted with the UGC recognized category 1 university with graded autonomy, and then we have LPU received the highest NAC grade A++ with a score of 3.68 on 4-point scale, and it is the highest score in first cycle of accreditation among all government and private universities. These are the parameters on which NAC assess any university or institute. Then we have MBA accreditation also. Like MBA we have, and other BTech programs we have, MBA accredited programs. Then if I talk about the ICAR accreditation programs, then agriculture, UG agriculture programs and PG agriculture programs, we have ICAR accreditation. Along with this, if I talk about the NIRF ranking, then we have 31st among all government and private universities in India. And this basically ranking released by the Ministry of Education, Government of India, to rank institutions in India. And 13th we have in pharmacy, 17th in agriculture, 26th in law, 44th in management, 40th in research, 48th in engineering, like so. Then if I discuss about the World University Rankings 2026, then we have 5th in India amongst all government and private universities in India. And then if I further discuss about the World University Rankings based upon the disciplines, then physical sciences rank first in India in the physical sciences. And in the engineering, we rank second in India. And then if I go with the you can say the World University ranking for innovation, then we have 4th in India and 109th globally. And if I go with the quality education wise ranking, data impact rankings, then we have 2nd in India and 18th globally we have. And in the QS World University rankings, we have 5th in India for the life sciences and medicine, and 6th in pharmacy, 9th in agriculture, and 10th in biological sciences. And if I go with the site Mago institution ranking, then we have 7th amongst all private universities in India. And then if there is another accreditation, we have ACBSP, and this accreditation generally for the management related programs. And the approvals, this is approval we have NCTE, then PC approval we have, COA approval we have, BCI approval, AICTE approval, ITPI, Indian Association of Physiotherapists, then RCI approval we have for the clinical and applied psychology programs. These are the memberships we have. If I talk about the placements and achievements by our students, then you can see our student Yashir Ram working in a global MNC company at a package of 3 crore rupees per month per year. And then another student, our student Shri Vishnu, got a package of 2.5 crore package. And then if I say the bracket, then from 10 lakh to 2.5 crore, more than 2,000 students placed in this this placement bracket, salary bracket, you can say. Then if I overall, if I say, then more than 2,000 companies, you can say recruiters hire LPU, and more than you can say 5,500 students, sorry, 5,500 offer letters our students got from the Fortune 500 companies, and 350 plus recruiters of IITs, IIMs, and ITs also hire from LPU, and average salary of top 25% placed student is 10.1 lakh per annum. And these are the few glimpses of the placements our students place in various renowned companies like Palo Alto, Google, Amazon, Moto, RQ, and the package I have mentioned over here. The more than 770 LPU students selected at a package of 10 lakh to 62.72 lakh rupees per annum. And this the student Ansh is from the chemical engineering and physical sciences school, and he has earned a revenue of more than 100 crore rupees. He is a you can say start his own startup, and Dex Logistic. And then we have Esworth Wango, LPU student of chemical engineering, got offer from the University of Florida and pursue Masters of Science in Chemical Engineering program with the fellowship. Asif Yusuf uh, uh, cleared the UPSC Civil Services exam with the rank of 328. And then our alumni, Soumya Kumari, succeeded in UPSC exam with the rank of 502. Then Lieutenant Mohit Arora, all India ranked 212 in the UPSC exam last year. And then we have Mohammad Kismat Rain, qualified IIT JAM exam with the top rank AIR 10. Then Devanarayan Rajiv Kumar, School of Chemical Engineering and Physical Sciences, offered 25 lakh rupees scholarship to pursue master's study in Finland. Manvi Gupta, student of chemistry, has successfully qualified PCS JKPSC exam with the rank of 76 and deputed as a deputy superintendent of police. Chishmo Dhaka alumni from the physics discipline, MSc, then physics from the LPU, is a founder, CEO, and CTO Dhaka Space Science Technologies, which is a Malvanian space-based technology startup company newly founded and registered in August 2022. Then Chishmo is also founder and recumbent managing director at Airways Technologies. Then Shishodia Siddhanath, alumni of physics, was selected for the 2 years with a scholarship of 22,416 euros for the Excellence Track program in physics at Johannesburg Gutenberg University, Mainz, Germany. Devan Narayana selected for the master's program in theoretical physics in University of Turku with Finland. Scholarship 100% fee waiver and 500 euro grant. Then Amal Chandar, BTech chemical engineering student, you can say we congratulate him on scoring the All India rank 266. Along with the academics achievements or placements, we have performing our students performing very well in the sports also. Like 13 students represented India in Tokyo Olympic Games 2020, and out of you can say 12 out of 13 LPU students won Olympic medals. And if I talk about the next Olympics, 2024 Paris Olympics, 24 LPU students participated in that Olympics 2024. That means 21% of Indian Olympic contingent is from LPU. Another achievement by our student is the first runner-up trophy in the Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad Sports Trophy 2023. And then again in the next year, second consecutive year, we clinched the first runner-up trophy. And then if I show you how you get to know all the information from our website, you need to just go to our website lpu.in, and over here you can see about admissions, academics, campus life. Suppose I want to know more information about the BSc physics. So what I'm going to do, I go to the academics, go to the chemical engineering and physical sciences, Over here, you get all the information about the school, chemical engineering, physical sciences school. You can see if you want to download the discipline browser, you can click over here and you can download. Then these are the the placements for the school. The highest salary package is 17.56 lakh rupees per annum, likewise, and 1 lakh highest internship stipend offered to our student. 50 plus recruiters, average salary 9.98 lakh per annum to the top 10%. Then these are the companies. Then you can see these are the placement stories you can find over this page. And these are the rankings which I have already been told you. And these are the you can see the embrace the revolution, likewise over here Edu revolution we have. And then you can find the MOUs. These are the research publications achievements by our you can say staff plus student. 1600 plus publications count, 60 plus patents filed, 50 plus seminars and workshops, 50 plus collaborative researches. And these are the some glimpses of the research by the School of Physical Sciences. Then these are the programs we are offering in this school. Like after 12th, you can go for the BTech Chemical Engineering, like BSc, or you can go for the UG 3 years program like BSc Chemistry, BSc Physics, BSc Mathematics. And if you want to go for the specializations, like you want to you are interested in the research field, then you can go for the BSc Honor with research physics, or you can go with the mathematics research, BSc honor with the chemistry. These are the 4 year programs and these are the 3 years programs. And after doing your graduation, you can go for the PG programs also. Like in the PG, we are offering MSc Environmental Science, MA Mathematics, MSc Mathematics, MSc Statistics in Data Analytics, MSc Honors Physics, MSc Honors Chemistry. In the School of Physical Sciences, PG programs we are offering 2 years as well as 1 year. It depends upon the graduation duration you have done. Then if you want to go for the PhD programs, you want to pursue higher qualification, then we are offering PhD programs in this discipline. You can get to know over here. We are offering full-time as well as part-time programs. Along with this, these are the facilities under the School of Physical Sciences, and these are the faculty members. You can get to know about the expert area, the experience, all the things you can get to know from here. And these are the guest lectures, like if I show you. So physics in daily life, the Professor S.C. Verma, they have presented over here. That the workshop, they have connected the workshop over here. Then these are the Professor Ajay Ghatak, very renowned personalities you can see over here. Then these are the you can say some acknowledgements were. Then further you can see this is a Dr. Kailash Chandra sir message from the dean. So all the things you can get to know from here. And if you have any doubt, you can go from here like that. Why should I choose the School of Chemical Engineering Physical Sciences? If you have any doubt, you can click over here and you get to know the details from here also. And further, if you want to know what research and lab facilities available at LPU, you can go from here. You can check out the research facilities we are offering, available in the School of Physical Sciences. So this is all about the School of you can say Chemical Engineering and Physical Sciences. And if I want to know the particular program detail, so if suppose if I want to get the admission in BSc Physics, then you go to the sorry, you go to this ranking, then faculty resources program. You go to the programs over here. You can see if I want to go for after 12th, I just need to click over here BSc Physics. Then dedicated page for BSc Physics is there, and over here you get all the information, eligibility, the fee and scholarship, all the things you can get over here. Like this is the eligibility criteria, and in the eligibility criteria you need 60% marks in 12th class, and then you need to study these subjects, and you clear these subjects: English, physics, and mathematics. And have if you have given the CUET exam, then you get the additional benefit. Like we give the scholarships benefit on the basis of LPS exam, on the basis of 12th marks, or on the basis of CUET. So it depends on which one is the best one you will get from here. Further, the fee and scholarship depends upon the caliber of the students. So how would you in the your academics, or how you would perform in your national level test, then you get the higher scholarship. Like if I show you, this is how you get to know the scholarship slabs and the final program fee after getting the scholarships. These are the scholarship uh, you can say criteria as mentioned over here. On the basis of national level test, you get to know the scholarship based upon the LPNS exam, scholarship based upon CUET exam, scholarship based upon the 12th class, and then we are also offering 100% scholarship under the LPU rise condition, LPU rise. Then we are also offering the financial aid, Shikshak Samman Anudan, though the candidates whose parents working in the defense sector, then this is the benefit he can get from LPU. Another financial aid benefit we give to those candidate parents working in a teaching sector. And then another thing, another financial aid, these are the need-based orphan person with certain risk. So these are the scholarships we are offering. Scholarship for startups, innovation, entrepreneurship. And if you have any sports achievement, cultural achievement, R&D achievement, co-curricular activity, social service, and if you have any bravery award, then you can contact us, and we give you all the details. How many what amount of scholarship you can grab from us. So this is how you get to know the fee and scholarship, and these are the important dates. So this is all about the things you can get to know about the particular program from the school page. Like I go to the academics, then go to this school, and from there you go to the program you are interested to take admission. So, and if you want to know more about the residential facilities, then you can go to the admissions, and from here residential facility, from here you can go, or from the campus life you can go to the residential facility. Just give me a second. I'll show you. Yeah, here. So from the campus life, you go to the residential facility. So all the things you get to know from our website. So if you have any doubt, I'll glad to give you an reply. Thank you, Ji.
Thank you so much, Dr. Lavleen Kumar Bhagi. So can we take the questions now, Dr. Kailash and Dr. Lavleen?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, sure.
Thanks for giving me a chance to address your questions. Now let's start with first question. Just read this with us. Stop sharing your screen, Dr. Lavleen, first. And just Preet is asking, how does studying science open diverse career opportunities in the 21st century?
Can you repeat question, ma'am, please?
Yeah, I'm repeating the question. How does studying science open diverse career opportunities in 21st century?
Actually, if we will see the demand, the science graduates are also always in demand in schools, generally for teaching, and always in high positions. Like the school, nobody can replace the teaching of physics, chemistry, mathematics. Also in research, mainly the scientists are started from the science, and all the scientists, mostly, if you will see all the scientific domains, all the industries are mostly from the sciences background. Other than that, all the competitive exams like or the government jobs, any of this sector you can select, including the UPSC exam, civil services, in all the places science graduates are always in demand. Other than that, as I have mentioned, the coaching industries. In coaching, again, the one of our student or alumni, he is teaching in Kota LN Academy, and his package is more than 1 crore per, you can say, per annum. You can say what is the demand here? Students are doing, we can say, postdoctoral research. They are going for the higher studies in abroad, and they are getting very high amount of scholarships. Other than that, science students are also working in the industries like the data scientist, the AI, ML, machine learnings, and many other domains where it was supposed to be dominance of the, we can say, computer science engineers. But the science engineers or science students are also doing good performance over there. Yeah, these, according to me, this is the, we can say, demand or opportunity of the science graduates.
Thanks so much, Dr. Duklan, and I hope Jashbir you got your answer from our expert. Gaurav is with us. Gaurav is asking, what are the most emerging and future-ready career paths available for science students today?
I think I have already mentioned here that these are the path, the teaching, academia, which we can say the research, and again in the government jobs, government again study abroad with the scholarships. Okay, and again in other in private sectors, the domains like the space science, domains like the semiconductor industries, physics and the mathematician students are in demand. And in case of the AI, generate AI related field, and who is creating AI, the mathematicians and the physicists are in demand. The knowledge of all these domains is very, very necessary over there. Okay, these are the opportunities available nowadays.
Thank you so much. And Dr. Duklan, I dropped one question in poll. The question was, which science field interests you the most for a future career? The options were medical sciences, emerging and technology, research and innovation, environmental sciences. And the most clicked maybe 2-3 answers: engineering and technology, research and innovation.
According to me, material science, nanotechnology, physics, all these are again the common field. Material science is not only the physics, it is also chemistry, it is also the mechanical engineering, it is also electronics, it is also the biosciences, it is also the pharmaceuticals. Material science is a very common word. Nanotechnology is very common word. Okay, nanotechnology, material science, all these are the same thing for me and for industries as well. Okay, if you have interest in again the environmental sciences, there is a scope of environmental scientists, but environmental scientist position is again very fixed area. Like if you have graduation in or PG in physics, chemistry, and mathematics, you have more options. Like you have options in teaching, which is always available everywhere. Okay, not only in India. If you are moving to any of the country, you can opt this profession, and again the salaries are also good. Home tutoring, online tutoring, again all these options are available in these areas. Then again it is the interest of the student in which area. If they have clear in their mind that they want to do this thing, then they can opt this. Otherwise, if you have interest in nanotechnology, if you have interest in material science, then the basic physics, the chemistry, both are better option for them.
Thank you so much, Dr. Duklan. I hope everyone got the answer from our experts. So don't worry, students, if anyone have any question regarding the admission, they just write on us at admissions@lpu.co.in, and you can do WhatsApp chat. So our WhatsApp number is 98525 I'm repeating the number. It's 98525 And once again, thanks to our experts, Dr. Navleen and Dr. Kailash Chandra Duklan. And as we come to the end of this webinar, I want to express my deepest gratitude to our experts for sharing their valuable insights and expertise with us. If anyone wants to access this webinar again, they can visit our website, that is lpu.in, then admissions. Under this LPU Edu-Webinar, you will find the past and upcoming webinars, and you can access this webinar later on YouTube. Stay connected with us for future webinars. Until then, with the permission of my seniors, I will be signing off this webinar. Take care and goodbye. Have a beautiful day.